How to sing like Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber has a dynamic and agile voice that might seem difficult to learn. However, just like Justin learned his style by emulating performers like Usher and Justin Timberlake, you can also learn to emulate Justin Bieber. It takes many hours of studying Justin Bieber's music, vocal styles, and performances to learn how to replicate them. It will take a lot of dedication, but it's definitely possible. Method 1: Training your voice. 1. Listen to Justin Bieber sing and try to imitate him. Even if you can't hit notes like Justin right away, you can learn the words to his songs. A big part of singing a Justin Bieber song like Justin Bieber is knowing the lyrics. If you aren't a singer, you may want to start with a voice lesson to help learn the basics of singing. Once you have the basics down, you can move on to learning more of the advanced singing techniques used by Justin. Try singing some of Justin's earlier songs first. For example, Baby is a catchy pop song, and it has repetitive lyrics that are easy to memorize. 2. Improve your vocal agility. You will need to have good command of your voice in high and low registers to tackle some of Justin's songs. Begin by singing slow, even arpeggios. Arpeggios are the individual notes that make up a musical chord. Practice singing them from lowest to highest, then highest to lowest. Don't worry about your speed, but focus on keeping your tone and volume even through the notes. Record your performances and then assess your progress. Work on different vowel sounds. Build speed as your skills improve. Practice melismas. Melismas are also commonly referred to as vocal runs. It is the ability to hold one syllable and change the pitch of your voice to hit many different notes. Try singing songs like Beauty and the Beat by Justin Bieber. The song features a number of vocal runs and really shows off Justin's range and vocal agility. 3. Switch singing from your chest to falsetto. Justin has a vocal style that switches often between the chest, or normal singing range, into falsetto. Falsetto is higher pitched and tends to come through your throat and nasal passages. When you sing in falsetto, it may often sound like you're making a little boy voice. This will help to hit some of the high, soft notes in Justin's music while being able to quickly shift back to singing from the chest. Try singing the chorus on As Long As You Love Me. Notice how Justin switches from his chest voice to falsetto and back to his chest voice while saying the word love. 4. Sing with a husky voice. Justin's voice has a husky quality that gives him a bit of a rough edge. Keep your neck muscles tense and exhale a lot of air while you sing to create a little raspiness to your voice. You shouldn't try to do this all the time, just try adding it here and there on certain songs. Listen to Sorry and notice where Justin's voice becomes a bit raspy in the chorus, then transitions back into a smoother tone. 5. Practice daily. If you are young, then you have a better chance at improving your voice. You will want to practice improving these techniques for an hour or two a day to make the most progress possible. Justin has been singing almost his whole life, so if you want to develop the talent to sing like him, you need to be committed to working hard on a regular basis. Be confident. Practice until you can hit the notes confidently and sing them with the same ease as Justin. Method 2: Performing like Justin. 1. Study Justin Bieber's dance moves. If you really want to sing like Justin, you need to practice your stage presence. Study hip-hop dance. Try taking a hip-hop dance class to work on your moves. Most of Justin's choreography in his performances appear relatively simple, however, it is very difficult to pull them off while singing. It takes a lot of practice. Gesture at the audience. Just likes to do a lot of pointing. Find a cute girl and point her way. She will probably pass out. You can also try doing a cute little shrug or making a heart shape with your thumbs and forefingers. Watch some Justin Bieber music videos, such as the video for Confident. Study some of Justin's moves and try to copy them. 2. Dress like Justin. Wear a lot of hoodies, with baseball caps, and Wayfarer sunglasses. Wear bright, expensive basketball sneakers, with skinny pants or tight jeans. If you need to look classy, you can add a blazer. 3. Play an instrument like Justin. Aside from being a singer, Justin can play the drums, guitar, piano, and even the trumpet. Try learning one of these instruments to incorporate it into your performance to make you more like Justin. 4. Write lyrics that have similar topics to Justin Bieber's song. Sing about girls, particularly Selena Gomez. He also sings a lot about second chances and finding your purpose. Use the word baby often. Justin has a song called Baby, and he uses the term in a good portion of his other songs. Add in plenty of oohs and yes. Justin is a pop singer, so your lyrics don't always need to say much. Tips. Use singing exercises and breathing exercises to warm up your voice. They are muscles and will perform better when you do.